In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a tag cloud to your WordPress site. Even if you're a beginner, it's a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. Now let's get started. First off, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to wordpress.com. This is where the magic begins. Once you're on the homepage, locate the login option. It's typically found at the top right corner of the page. Give it a click and you'll be prompted to enter your access details, but don't worry, it's quick and easy. The next step is to click on the option that says continue with Google. This is a one-click solution that uses your Google account login information to access WordPress, making things both convenient and secure. After selecting this option, you'll see a list of your Google accounts. Choose the one you want to use by simply clicking on it. Make sure it's the same account you use to manage your WordPress site. Once you're successfully logged in, you should see your WordPress dashboard. Look to the right panel of your screen and you'll spot what's labeled as quick links. Under this section, you'll find the option to edit site. Click on this link and it will take you to your site's editing area where you can make all the necessary changes. Now to add a tag cloud, move your attention to the top left corner of the screen. There you'll find an add button. This button is crucial as it allows you to insert different elements known as blocks into your site. Click on the add button and a search field will be revealed. In this search field, type the words tag cloud. Typing this phrase will help you locate the specific block you need to add. After typing tag cloud, you should see an option corresponding to it. Simply click on it and it will be added to your site. And there you have it, you've just added a tag cloud to your WordPress site. It's a fantastic feature that showcases the categories and tags you frequently use on your site, giving visitors a glimpse of the key topics you cover. This not only enhances the user experience but also aids in site navigation. Remember, the process of adding blocks like the tag cloud can be repeated for other elements as well. So, as you become more comfortable with WordPress, don't hesitate to explore and customize your site further. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Happy blogging!